Zone interface box installation. Before you start thermostat installation, ensure that all necessary safety precautions have been implemented. Make sure to have the pre-work ready. Please have the installation and maintenance manual with you. Ensure the zoning interface box is in place. Let's review the duct zoning system and clarify the location of each unit in the system. Let's start the installation. Choose an appropriate location and a flat surface for installation. Follow the safety summary in the installation manual. Ensure minimum installation space requirements. The zone interface box can be mounted in the horizontal or vertical position. When installed in the vertical position, please make sure that the wire outlets are facing downwards. Securely attach the zone interface box to a flat surface using 6 M5 screws. M5 screws need to be supplied in the field. Please use a level to ensure correct installation. Wire connection. Remove fixing screws and open the zone interface box cover. Remove the screws of cable clamps cover and insert the wires through the bushes of the wiring inlet openings. Carry out the field electrical wiring work. Refix the cable clamp cover and tighten the clamp screw to ensure that the connected harness is securely fastened. Check to ensure that all the dips switched are set to the off position on the main board. Install the zone interface box cover after the electrical wiring work is completed. Zone interface box installation has been done successfully.